In this video, you will learn how to add WooCommerce customers to your CRM and email marketing software. We'll begin by going to Mail Optin over on the left-hand side. We'll hover and go to Settings. Now here we'll need to go to our WooCommerce integration, and on the right, you'll select your integration. For me, that's MailChimp. And the next step is to select your list in the drop-down menu right below. I only have one, but you may have multiple. All right, so moving on, we can also disable double opt-in. And right below this, we'll see that we're now able to map our fields. So we have our mail opt-in fields on the left, and we'll find our WooCommerce fields in the drop-down menu. So you can have the company name and the billing phone number if you want. In addition to that, we have tags. So we can type in Woo, and we'll keep subscribing our customers automatically. So we'll keep that the same, or you can ask for permission if you want to. Now, once you're done, save your changes. And now we're all set up to add new WooCommerce customers to our CRMs and email marketing software. So right now, I'm going to show you how to add customers based on specific WooCommerce products. So we just need to go to the menu on the left-hand side to access our WooCommerce product page. We're going to all products, and we can use this short sleeve shirt. Now, if we scroll down and take a look on the left, we'll see our mail opt-in tab. And what we want to do basically is select the integration that we want to use for this product. That could be any integration, but we're going to use MailChimp. Again, we'll select our email list. I only have one. If you have more than one, that could be even better for keeping things separate. Now, maybe you want to disable double opt-in for this product. It's up to you. We can also map fields, but here I'm going to go ahead and add a tag just so that we know where the lead is coming from. On second thought, I'm actually going to disable double opt-in. Moving on, we can update this product to save our changes. So we can do the same thing for categories. Once we're in our categories page, we can select one of them. For example, I'll select men. And once that opens up, we can scroll down and connect mail opt-in. Now the integration here is going to be MailChimp. So we'll select that. And before we save our settings, we'll need to select an email list. So we're using the same one. Now again, if you want to disable double opt-in, you can go ahead and do so. You'll also see options to map your fields between mail opt-in and WooCommerce. Let's disable double opt-in, and let's go ahead and add a tag. This is going to be men, same as the category, and we'll save our settings. Okay, we're done, and I'll just show you quickly that the same thing can be done for tags. If we go to tags, we'll see that the process of connecting mail opt-in is basically the same. Now, finally, let's see how we can add the WooCommerce newsletter checkbox. We'll go to Mail Opt-in, then Settings, and on the WooCommerce integration page, we'll scroll all the way down until we see Other Settings. Previously, we kept it as automatic. This time, we'll select Ask for Permission since we want to have that checkbox. You can change your label if you want to. We can keep the default state as unchecked. And the next option lets you select your opt-in checkbox location. Right now, it's in the auto review section above the submit button. I'm going to keep that and save our changes. And we can finally go ahead and test this to see how it works. I'll add this short sleeve t-shirt to my cart. Right now I have two. Let's make it one. We'll check out. And next I'll need to provide my shipping and billing details. I'll just correct this and I think we're good. And if we scroll down, we'll see our newsletter checkbox under additional order information. So we have just opted in. Now we can place our order. On the next page, we'll see that our order has been received. And at this point, we can go to our email marketing software or CRM to see if our lead information was passed on. In my case, I'm going to go to MailChimp. In the dashboard, we'll go to the Audience tab. If we take a look at the first contact, we'll see that this is the information that we just entered in our WooCommerce form. So here's the tag for our product. And then we have our general WooCommerce tag. Alright, so I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.